What's going on, guys? So my package just came that I've been waiting for around, I'd say, 6 weeks, and it just arrived. So I'm going to show you guys what it is. Okay, so it's a pretty light package, but it's of great significance. All right, now we just got to open it. Let me set this down. Once the box is open, I can pick it back up. But okay, so for those of you who know the brand, you already know what it is. I guess I gotta cut these too. Okay. Just gotta be careful. All right. So here we have our new steering wheel from Zen carbon fiber. Now, I already have this on the ST, but that's the reason why I got it for the FL5, because I've had it on the ST for over 3 years and it's been nothing but great. Like, the quality, everything is just basically still pretty brand new, and I've had it for almost 4 years on the ST. So here we go. Now just look at that thing. Now, while it may not be Alcantara, this feels real good. On the ST, I had it all in black because, but for the FL5, I had to go with red. Just because, if you know, you know. And then this is the inserts. Oh crap, now I gotta put this back on the mount to show you guys the rest of it. Now just look at these. See that? And I got the one with the Type R written on it. So let's just jump in and do the install real quick. So first things first, you're gonna start off by taking your bag terminal off, because you don't want to be messing with the airbag with that being left on. You don't know what dangers it can lead to. After that, it has 3 holes underneath it, one here, one on the right, and one underneath, that you're gonna have to push a Allen wrench in. It's a spring, so when you push the spring, it just pops out. I already did mine. When you push the spring, it just pops right out, and then you're gonna have free access to the airbag. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove these 2 connectors and then this negative connector. You're gonna pop it out. You gotta hold both, pull both ends, and then pull the entire thing. There we go. And then for this one, the clip is underneath. You just push it up and pull it off. And just like that, your airbag is off. You set it to the side. Now, if you a breaker bar, but power tool is best, where you have less minimal movement with the steering wheel. So I have the power tool right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and round it out. Or not round it out. Round it out is a bad thing. I'm gonna go ahead and unscrew the bolt. Okay, and here it is. And there's another, come on. There's another wire here that you need to unclip, and then the steering wheel comes out just like that. Now there are some things that you're gonna have to transfer. You're gonna have to transfer the buttons. You're gonna have to transfer, not the face, because it comes with the face already, but the back piece you're gonna need to go on the new steering wheel. So I'm just gonna go ahead and transfer everything, and then come back. Okay, now we just got to put everything back together. Okay, run these through here. I'll clip. Gonna run our bolt in. Okay, now airbag. I can put these on. And you just push it back on and everything clicks. And just like that, you have a new steering wheel.